Alright folks, so here's a velocity problem again, calculating time. Uh, we're doing velocity, so this is no acceleration, just moving at one speed or an average speed. And we're going to be calculating time this time. So a biker has an average velocity of 8 meters per second. Here's some data we have. How long will it take? How long will it take? Definitely we're going to be looking for time then, right? Right? That's definitely time. And then how long will it take to travel 14 kilometers? Okay, well that's a distance. So let's write this all down. Velocity is equal to 8 meters per second. And time is the question mark. That's what we'll be looking for. And distance, our change in position, is going to be 14 kilometers. One note though is that all your units have to agree. Is there a distance anywhere in here? This is a velocity, but it does have a distance and a time unit, right? A distance is meters per second. Could be miles per hour, feet per second, whatever, but this is a meter per second. That means our distance has to be meters, unless it's kilometers per second, but we're going to keep everything in meters per second in this class, just to make things simple, especially since we're online learning and stuff. I don't need to make it even more complicated than it could be. So let's make everything agree to meters and seconds all the time. So this has to be meters. So you can go online and convert this to, say, convert 14 kilometers to meters, and it'll convert online. But kilo means 1,000. So this means 14,000 meters. That's what that means. Literally, it reads 14,000. That's what kilo means, meters. So just put 14,000 meters. That's the same thing. All right, and our equation, of course, is delta x over t, change of position over time. And let's plug everything in now. So we're going to have 8 for the velocity. The position change is 14,000 meters, and we don't know the time. Now remember, I told you that you can swap. I think I told you already that you can swap. If you have a fraction on one side, you could take everything on the bottom and swap everything up here. And this could be a lot of stuff up here and a lot of stuff down here, and you can still swap them all, but you got to swap everything down here. You can't just choose something down here and choose something here and swap them. So it's got to be everything on the bottom and everything over here and swap the two. Right now it's simple, it's just one thing each. So let's swap them, and let's go over here and let's put it. So I swapped them, and now it's 14,000 on top, and we have an 8 on the bottom. Let's bring up a calculator, and we'll type in 14,000 divided by 8 is 1750. So that's the answer, 1750 seconds. That's a lot of seconds, so that's fine. And that's the correct answer. And in fact, if this was a Moodle quiz, you'd want to put in this value right here, this 1750. You definitely want to put that in. But just for fun, let's convert that to minutes. Converting, I haven't gone over that yet, but I think that's a 8th grade thing, but I can maybe do a lesson on that. 1750 seconds, and then we just kind of put it over 1, and then I need my conversion factor. So the seconds are on top, so I need to put seconds on the bottom. 60 seconds is the same as 1 minute. Those are the same. So I'm pretty much taking this thing and dividing it by 60. So let's divide by 60, divided by, did I click it? There we go, 60. 29 minutes, so almost a half an hour. That's just for fun. I just thought I would convert it to see how much time that really was. So it'll take about half hour. If a biker is biking at 8 meters per second, they want to go 14 kilometers, which is, I don't know, 9 miles or something. I'm not sure. But it'll take them about a half hour. All right, so thank you very much, and I will see you guys. And don't forget to do the practice problems, and I'll see you in the next video.